you experiencing a network request timeout error while trying to play FragPunk? This issue can prevent you from connecting to the game servers, making online gameplay impossible. In this video, we'll walk you through the best troubleshooting steps to resolve your connection problems.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Proxy. Disable Automatically Detect Settings.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your connection. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred server type 8888, in alternate server type 8844. Press OK. If 8888 didn't work, then type 1111.